Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Microsoft login error that your Microsoft account doesn't actually exist. So if you get this error that your Microsoft account doesn't actually exist when you are trying to sign in, the first thing that comes to mind is that you have misspelled your email or password. Because sometimes it won't tell you that your email is the problem, it will tell you that your email or password, so your password might be actually the problem. But if you are sure that you are entering the right email and the right password, also make sure that you didn't actually put another email in exchange of another email. So if you have two emails, you might have signed in with the other one instead. And after that, if this is actually not the problem, you need to actually know that Microsoft have the MSA policy, Microsoft Service Agreement, which is under the MSA, you must use your Microsoft account to keep it active. Microsoft reserves the right to close all inactive Microsoft accounts. Except as provided below, you must sign in into your Microsoft account at least once in a 2 year. So, so if you didn't sign into your account for like 2 years period or like 700 or something days, and your account have been deactivated, to activate your account that has been locked, you might need to actually talk to the Microsoft support. So to do that, you need to search for Microsoft. So you need to search for Microsoft support. I'll see from here. So from here, you need to actually click on Contact Us button, and then it will redirect you to this page. So from here, you might need to make a new account other than the one that is locked, so you can actually contact to Microsoft support with no problem. After that, you can tell them your problem and that your account has been deactivated, and they will help you recover your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.